Hello, fellow guys. Welcome back to another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. As you guys can see, I am not in Australia at the moment. We are back in Samoa, guys. So, arrived yesterday evening around 5 p.m. So we left Canberra on Friday. And then I stayed up in Brisbane for about one night, and then came Saturday morning, which was the 9 a.m. flight, 9 a.m. Australian time. We arrived here around 5 p.m. So yeah, it's great to be back home, but sort of missing the Australian the Australian environment, but yeah, it's great to be back home, guys. Big fatalofa to our Ainga members and all our viewers. If this is your first time seeing this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy it. But we're going to get started. It is raining at the moment. I'm not sure why. Probably because we're still in cyclone season. But I think we've got a pretty straightforward menu today. So it's just a matter of getting it all done now. So we're just going to do fried chicken, lamb neck soup, laumu, and luau, and a fish for uncle. So pretty straightforward menu. I'm gonna get started now. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Alright, so finished now. I'm gonna pop it in the oven and get started on the food. Kau woki dai ki kiar baru kau kuat umi kirengat ule masangi di. But the sun's out, which is a good sign. Never kirenga makai kuore. Iar kuore kau ngai rungore. Lungori me ai vasore. Ma ngai ya kire ki ngor ko. Hey. Turn. Whoa, take. Kape ul vasore. Ah. Right, Ram, so we've got the lamb neck, it's in here. Gonna make a soup out of that. And then we've got the chicken. Gonna make fried chicken. And then we've got the fish. So that'll be set for today. Just gonna get started on that. Also, we've got sui that Aunt Salval and Uncle Lloyd brought, who are now going to church. So I'm just going to quickly get started on the other food, and then should be smooth sailing. Chopping up the chicken, as you can see there. Added a bit of salt just to marinate it for the next half an hour. The salt actually enhances the flavor, so which is why I added it now. Then we're going to rinse it after, and then now already got the pot on the heat, and then we're going to add the oil so that we can bring it up to temperature fairly quick. So that by the time the chicken is ready, the oil would be up to heat. So this oil is 2 liters and costs about $14.80. I think $14.80 or $14.50 for 2 liters of cooking oil. So 1 liter would cost about $7.40 or $7.25, which means oil is more expensive than gas. Alright, that should be enough cooking oil, because obviously we're gonna flip it probably 5-6 minutes each side, and then after that we will let it rest, pop it in the oven, which will take about, the reason why I put it in the oven after I fried it is just because helps it keep it to temperature, also crispens up everything else, so that's what we'll be doing. But I think that's it. I'm gonna make the batter for the chicken. So we've got this coat and cook flavored coating mix. Family from New Zealand brought it when they came over, so I'm gonna use it now and try it out. I'm gonna mix it with a bit of flour, and then we will get to cooking it. It's also good for air fry. There's an air fry option, so I think this will probably use it for the last. No, we'll dump it all in and we'll see how we go. And that's our coating. So I'm just gonna put in the chicken inside the bag, give it a bit of a shake so that it evenly coats it, dump it in the oil. So yeah, it's breadcrumbs. so finished rinsing it. Rinsed out the salt. Now we're just gonna, I think we'll start off with the drumsticks first because, no. I think we'll start off with the thighs first because they take longer to cook and the drumsticks should be fairly quick. Thighs it is. Here we go. I think 3 at a time would be okay. And we're gonna wrap this up, give it a shake. Obviously I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. You can see they're very evenly coated, so we're just gonna take a little bit of this flour to test the oil. Yeah, it's not hot yet. Probably give it another 15 minutes. But while we wait for that, might as well get started on luau. Alright, oil is hot. Just in time, finished the luau, so we're gonna pop in the chicken. So I always like to shake it a bit first, just to get off all the coating and stuff, and then pop it in. So skin side down first. Ooh, cool. Alright, and then we're gonna pop in some more chicken to the coating, get it stuffed, while the chicken on the stove 5 minutes, and we'll turn it a bit, and should be good. Alright guys, so this layer here is called the scum, and I usually remove it from the soup because it has an off-putting smell to it. So I always make sure whenever I'm doing soup, after the first probably half an hour of cooking, boiling, usually it'll float to the top, so then just scoop it out with a scooper. Obviously it's not the best scoop to use, but it does the job, so that's what I usually do, just take it out and then discard it or throw it away because it's no use. Plus it just makes the soup smell bad. Alright, so the omu is now ready. I've shifted the fried chicken to the pan here, but we're going to save that for the omu. So then every time I finish cooking the chicken, I'll pop it onto the pan, which will be in the oven, and that'll continue the cooking process. But we're just going to keep it at low heat, probably 100, 150, and that'll continue the cooking process. But in the meantime, it doesn't burn it, you know, because obviously we still want to cook the chicken a bit. We don't cook it to the point where it'll go dry, but it'll continue cooking until it's time to eat. Omu usiki. So the soup is looking nice. Again, it's missing a bit of green, so we're just gonna head out and grab some laubili or hibiscus spinach. Just gonna grab a few, probably a lot more than usual. Alright, spinach there. We're gonna get the chicken out and pop in some new chicken. Alright guys, so just taking a quick break. Only thing left is the fish. Everything's probably 80% cooked now. But yeah, guys, just wanted to say, thank you to all our supporters, all our viewers, guys. Really appreciate it. Means a lot. You guys, everyone that reached out when I was in Australia, to help out people in Brisbane, people in Canberra. Really appreciate you guys, and thank you for reaching out, seeing if I needed help with anything. Go for lunch. Really sorry that I couldn't make it though, but hopefully in the next trip we'll probably get some time to hang out with you guys. And also I almost forgot that we have one viewer at one time. I was at McDonald's the other day. Just grabbing lunch. Oh, it's towards 5 p.m. And there was a green Hilux behind me, and the guy's wife walked over and said if I was the Samoanfarmer. So I was really surprised that they noticed me inside the car as well. So they gave me $100. You guys saw show you guys the picture there. I was really humbled. It's really great seeing. So a big thank you to the couple that I know you guys watch our videos. So I really want to say thank you guys for that. It's really humbling to see the support from you guys. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I really appreciate it. All of us here on the channel. So really thank you again, and I hope you guys enjoy most of my content. John Cena over here now. So we're just gonna quickly finish up our tonai, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright fam, so we finally reached the end of our cooking episode. If you made it this far, just want to say thank you guys. Really appreciate the support and watching the entire clips, our entire video. So we're going to show you guys the result now, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, starting from this side, we've got our luau that we did. We've got our umu there, our taro. We've got our lamb neck soup with laupele, or the hibiscus spinach. Got our chop suey from Auntie and Uncle, Auntie Salvale and Uncle Loy. And we've got our fried chicken. Look at that, so glistening, so shiny, so yum. Alright, yeah, it's looking really good, guys. So I'm gonna get into this. As you guys can see, I'm really hungry now. But I just want to say thank you guys for enjoying our episode. Thank you for liking. Really appreciate the comments, guys. I am going to get to the comments soon. It's just been really busy. I've been back and forth, as you guys see. I've been traveling a lot, but yeah, we'll definitely get to it. But if you've enjoyed our content today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys, share our channel, and we'll definitely catch you on our next episode, guys. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.